Hi class, it's Rebecca Sartorio. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a great teaching strategy called Pick a Side. This strategy is great because it has many benefits for both teachers and students. To start, it gets all students involved. Next, it gets students' blood flowing because students are up and moving around the classroom. It's a great way to get students' mind working for the day as well. And finally, it's a quick way for the teacher to get an idea of the students' thoughts and understanding on a topic. Pick a Side has 4 simple steps, and here's how they work. Step 1. The teacher presents a question to the class. There only can be 2 answers to this question. Most times for this activity, the answer will be agree or disagree, but you can use yes or no or any question with 2 answers. Step 2. The teacher states what side of the classroom represents each answer. For example, one side of the room will be disagree, and the other side of the room will be agree. Step 3. The students then pick a side depending on what they think the answer to the given question is. Give students no more than 30 seconds to decide what side of the classroom they're going to stand on to make sure the activity keeps flowing. Step 4. Once all students have picked a side, the teacher will ask a few students to elaborate on why they picked that side. This strategy not only gets students out of their seats and involved, but it also has other classroom benefits. It can also be used to get to know students in the beginning of the year. You can ask questions like, do you have any siblings, yes or no, or I love reading, agree or disagree. It can be used to review topics before a test, start a class discussion for an assignment like a persuasive essay, and even act as an informal assessment for class readings or other assignments that may fit. This strategy can be used in any grade level or any subject. All you need is a question with 2 answers and 2 sides of the classroom to represent each answer. I hope you are able to use and enjoy this strategy in your classroom. And remember, teaching is a work of heart.